Are you over 60 and feeling like your joints are constantly reminding you of your age? That creak in your knee when you climb stairs, the stiffness in your hips in the morning, or that ache in your hands after a day of gardening? It's easy to think this is just a normal part of getting older. But what if I told you there are hidden reasons for that pain, and more importantly, natural ways to fight back? Most people believe joint pain is simply wear and tear, but that's only half the picture. The real troublemaker is often something called chronic inflammation. Think of it as a slow, silent fire inside your body that's been smoldering for years. It's not like a swollen ankle, it's a low-grade, persistent attack on your joints, causing the cartilage to break down. And guess what? Our daily habits can either fuel that fire or help put it out. One of the biggest culprits is our diet. Many don't realize that common foods like sugary snacks, processed meats, and certain oils can actually trigger inflammation. Your body reacts as if it's under constant attack, and your joints pay the price. But there's a simple fix. By adding more anti-inflammatory foods to your plate like salmon, walnuts, olive oil, and leafy greens, you can help combat inflammation naturally. It's not about a strict diet. It's about making smarter choices that support your joints. Another hidden factor is muscle loss. As we get older, we naturally lose muscle mass, especially if we're not very active. Those muscles are like a natural shock absorber for your joints. When they weaken, your knees and hips have to take on more pressure than they were designed for, leading to more pain and stiffness. The good news: gentle movement is your best friend. Even a 20-minute walk, some light stretching, or simple resistance exercises can rebuild that muscle, improve blood flow, and take a huge load off your joints. And let's not forget about water. Your joint cartilage is mostly water. When you're dehydrated, it can literally dry out, making your joints feel stiff and achy. As we age, our sense of thirst can decrease, so it's crucial to make drinking water a habit throughout the day. Even when you don't feel thirsty, a little lemon or some herbal tea can make it more enjoyable. Many people think that if their joints hurt, they should rest. But too much rest is a trap. It actually makes your joints even stiffer. The key is to move smartly. Low-impact activities like swimming, cycling, or yoga are fantastic. They improve flexibility and mobility without pounding on your joints. Even a few simple stretches each morning can make a world of difference in how you feel for the rest of the day. Your body does its most important repair work while you sleep. Poor sleep ramps up inflammation and makes pain feel much worse. Creating a calming bedtime routine, dimming the lights, staying off screens helps your body get the deep, restorative rest it needs to heal your joints. Think of it as your body's most powerful, natural pain reliever. Finally, let's talk about something most people overlook: stress. When you're constantly stressed, your body releases hormones that trigger inflammation. Taking just a few minutes each day to relax, whether it's through deep breathing, meditation, or simply doing something you love, can have a direct, positive impact on reducing your joint pain. The most important takeaway is this: you don't have to just live with joint pain. By making small, consistent changes, eating well, staying hydrated, moving your body, and getting good rest, you can take back control. These habits add up, helping you stay active, flexible, and pain-free. Your body has an amazing ability to heal. You just need to give it the right tools. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to live a stronger, healthier life. Thanks for watching.